Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I am going to teach you how to download YouTube videos for free. Don't forget to subscribe, and push the like button. Open your browser, and go to youtube.com. Search for the name of the video you want to download. I am going to download on my own channel. Click on the video you want to download. Now change the link on your search bar by adding "S" in front of YouTube. You will redirect to another page. Don't be afraid, your file is about to ready. Choose the file type you want. Click on Download. Click on Download. Now your video is ready. Thanks for watching. Comment below if have any question.